In this video we're going to talk about how to remove the file or folder from the Git repository, right? So as you can see here in the previous video, we have successfully completed in removing this token and this the secret from the file and its history, right? So in this video we are going to use a simple command called this invert path. So what it basically does is invert paths, and it's an inverse of the current the current file, okay, which means so you can push everything and you can rewrite everything except this particular path. That is the meaning of this thing. So now what you're going to do, you can see in this particular project we have already had this JSON file and as well as the environment file, right? So let's take an example. So this is a secret file that we need to remove from this entire repository, including the history. So what we are going to do, we are going to invert the path for the particular file. So which means commit every file except this file, right? So okay, let me go into the folder path of our project, right? So this is the path, this is the folder. I'm going inside this Git folder. I'm opening the Git bash over here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to copy the command from the entire command from the blog post. There it is. I'm coming here and I'm pasting this value over here. Okay, so in this thing everything is same, right? So it's not going to do anything. We are already inside this so you can see here this path is same over here. Let me go into this Git Guardian demo folder. As you can see here, this C, inside this C, we're going to remove this environment.env, right? So let me go and let me change this file into this correct file. So let me type src environment.env. So what it does at the moment that I hit enter, what it does is it is going to rewrite every file except it is going to include the every file except this file. So that is what the inverted path meaning is. Let us go there, let us see what it actually does. So after we complete this activity, we should not see this file anywhere. It's not even in the history, you should not see, right? So let me go and put enter, and the moment I hit enter, it already shown that the new history is rewritten, and it was, you can see in the the explorer, immediately the file got expired, the file got vanished, right? So let us go there and see in this this project repository also this file is not there, right? So it is very simple as that. So as you can see here, the very next step is we are going to push these changes, right? So the same step would also reappear here again, right? I'm going to exclude this tax commit. I'm going to push only these changes, only the file changes, right? So let me open this thing, let me paste this command, and yeah, as you can see here, so what it's going to do is it is going to push only the files commit, and it and this time we are going to ignore this tax file, right? So let me hit enter, and this time it should definitely ask me the username. Let me enter this username, and it is going to ask me the password as well. Let me enter the password over here. Let me hit OK. As you can see here, it's successfully pushed. Okay, so we have successfully completed pushing those changes. Let us go there and see whether it actually did remove the file or not. Okay, let me go over there. As you can see here, the file was not set, so it is successfully completed, and it will be never ever appear in any of our commit or any of our history, right? So it is a very simple video, and hopefully, like, if you want to remove the folder, what you have to do is, instead of keeping this dot environment file, instead of looking into the particular file, if you do this activity by putting simply the folder, it will exclude this entire folder out of this git commit, and you can see like this folder itself will remove. But for this moment I don't want to do that, and for your practice, if you want to do, you can also do this activity over here. We'll come back with a different video in the next session. So until then, take care, bye bye. Thanks for supporting.